Good evening, guys. Welcome to Fintopia. Let's start with disclaimer. So, Fintopia is purely an educational channel. This is not investment advice. Markets do carry risk. Past performance is not a guarantee of future performance, and I am not a SEBI registered analyst. Always do your own research. Let's look at our strategies, right? Algo strategies which we have deployed. So, Bank Nifty made some money. We will see how Bank Nifty performed today. But overall, I think we are in profit. So it was a green day for Bank Nifty. Nifty Earner also made some money. In fact, today Nifty Earner made more money compared to the Bank Nifty. Right. So overall, we are at 71,000 now, and we are trading for now past 9 days. Sensex Sniper also made money today, so it made 520 on one lot, and I think yeah, overall we have made 2734. So it's a good money. Now whatever numbers I'm talking about here doesn't have charges included it. So brokerage and government charges will be included in them, and there are a number of trade plus etc. So that much is something which is we will have to count in order to know exact profit. Right. So this is something which is indicative. As you know, both of these strategies, Nifty Earner and Bank Nifty Earner, are available in marketplace. If you click on marketplace, type AI trader, you will find both my strategies here where you can save it, right? Make it favorite so you can easily find it. Then you can click on live trade so you can see the exact trades which are going on at any point in time in this particular strategy. Please note that this is a 4 multiplier. That is why capital is looking at 12. So 4 divided, so 4 divided by 12. So for one lot it is 3 lakhs, right? So that is how it is. If you click on the enable live watch, so since this is my own strategy, I cannot. But if you will add it, it will be added in your paper trade environment, and it can be then kind of tracked right from there. Okay, so this is it. This is about our strategies today. Let's look at the market overall. So if I click on IV, so has firmly gone down. Now we are at 12. I think IT was, since IT performed today, market took a breather, and that is why if we see the IV, it has come down 7%, which is a big drop from the top, right? So now we are at 12.28, and at the beginning of this particular thing, we were where? Around 26. That's too high. US VIX have also calmed down, so we are at 16.64. USD INR has strengthened, and I think it is making a bullish kind of pattern, something like this. So let's see where it stops. Right? Nifty on a daily chart, if we see, it has made a positive trend, but I would have liked it to close above this particular blue line, right? And the immediate resistance is going to be 24,261, as we can see, right? So that is where I think we will have to break out and close. As you can see from the blue line, right? This is not drawn today, it is drawn from some day back. But as you can see, there is a big volume, right? Which is being shorted from the blue line. So let's see how it happens. But the last one is kind of a hammer. Last 15-minute people accumulated. So let's see. Let's see. If you can see, this particular hammer was formed from this level, from around this particular level, right? let's say the high of this particular green candle. So it can go either way. Let's see, right? Any which ways, in Nifty, I think we are in a long position, and Bank Nifty we are in a short position, which happened after a long time, where Nifty outperformed Bank Nifty, right? Nifty rose once of 69 points, and Bank Nifty rose only -1. It didn't rise; it went down from yesterday's highs. Initially, it went positive, and then I think everyone sold Bank Nifty and buy IT. So that's that story. If you look at on a daily chart, Bank Nifty is not that inspiring because it is taking resistance around this particular level, and it had clearly a price rejection, right? So let's see how it behaves, but a lot of consolidation, and we are still awaiting trend in the Bank Nifty. So that's that. Sensex, if you look at, yeah, it is similar like Nifty, but one benefit Sensex has that it has basically taken a support from our blue line, right? And it is going up, although it will again face the resistance of 77,803. So that is going to be the resistance, but it is not as kind of confusing as Nifty, right? So Nifty is taking Nifty is at resistance, right? And Sensex is at support, which has kind of made a W, right? So if it breaks this level of 77,803, it can go further up, at least till here, which is 78,384. These are all not, what do you say, trading advice. I myself don't trade on these. But we have to know the context of the market if we, basics, right? If you are deploying an algo or anything like that. So that is what study we are doing. So that's it, guys. That's that. I think we have discussed Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex. We have discussed our algos. We have learned how those algos can be put on a paper trade thing, right? Of course, you will not put any of these algos directly in live environment. First, you will watch. Then you will consult your financial advisor, show them the stats, and then you may try to deploy them. Remember always, I am a tech support kind of a thing, right? So technologically, I have made these algos available, but I myself don't know whether they will make profit and whether they will make loss. So that is why I'm recording these algos performance from day one. So we have a good track, right? And we know what they are doing exactly. So thank you for watching Fintopia.